writing on your wall. He's throwing all the shadows you can see, and he's throwing none at all. Skimming his stones over your surface, tipping his fridges in your deep, sucking your eggs dry and draining your sleep, dumping on your number till your number goes numb, bringing you a bottle of dead man's rum, leaving footprints on your ceiling and using up your air. Down in your darkest hour, reach out, he'll be there. Stalker in the shadow, stalker under the moon, stalker in your stars and stalker humming your tune, stalker when the sun goes down, stalker at the dawn, in your wilderness and on your front lawn, with a skeleton key and a permanent pass, and a tongue like a train and eyes like broken glass, and breath like a house being blown apart, footsteps echo like the beating of a broken heart. If you make yourself a shelter, he'll make a different kind of storm. If you call in the police, he'll put on the uniform. It's darker than the pit and it's deeper than debt. Even the best bits are bastards and they're not the bits you get. Stalker through the tunnel, stalker down the mine, stalker in your junk mail and stalker online, tapping on your window, waiting at your door, stalker through the small print of the law. They say he turns up for every moonlight drive, but no one knows for sure, there are no witnesses alive. He unwinds you down through those unmade ways, into nights that burn down into nightmare days. He comes from where the flags and the street lamps are black, and he says he's damned if he's ever going back. He's got all the time in this world and in his own world too. You might wake up to reality, but what wakes up next to you? Stalker in the mirror, stalker on the phone, stalker in your water and stalker in your bone, stalker freezing in the frame and stalker on the heat, stalker in the morning warming up your toilet seat. You bummed a ride back from the pit of the dead and whipped off your hood and stepped into my head. You threw my eyes down into a maze among monsters who've never seen the sun's rays. Your stomach's like a desert where nothing can move. Your brain's like a record that's stuck in a groove. Your ears are like a stethoscope, your eyes are like drills. You make my teeth rattle like a bottle of pills. Stalker in the tragedy, stalker in the farce, stalker over your shoulder and stalker up your arse, stalker under the streetlight where the train runs like laughter. What are you waiting for? What are you